gardens of Vrindavan, where the peacocks dance, we walked with the saint in his humble trance. His words were like nectar, his presence so serene. 𝗪𝗪 Krishna, a guide pure and keen. Oh, journey of grace through the sands of time, your light remains in this heart of mine, a beacon of love in Krishna's embrace. 𝗪𝗪 forever plays.
Everyone believes in discipline. Prabhupada said you should be disciplined like army. I always say that you children are the most fortunate children. Because the Gurukula is a school with a difference. There are many schools. In 𝗪𝗃𝗯𝗀 also there is a school called the Gurukula. But that has nothing to do with the real Gurukula.
We are chanting Buddhism, but something how they thoughts come in our mind. So how we can do it?
A mother goes to the supermarket with her child.
How to buy this? How to buy this? How to buy this?
The child says, I want to buy this, I want to buy this. Does the mother surrender?
No.
No.
This is not for you.
This is not for you.
The mind will wander. Ignore it.
Similarly, when the mind wanders, simply ignore it. And chant Hare Krishna.
Yes, Ashutosh, he has the question. He's a good boy, Maharaj.
Maharaj, I have a question that we every day chant Hare Krishna Maharaj, but still Maya is so strong. She's so strong that still we are getting attracted to her. How can we save ourselves from Maya?
Maya is strong. I admit.
Maya is strong, I admit.
I have some good news for you. I have some good news for you.
But I have some good news for you.
Want to hear that? You want to hear that? Your holy name is stronger than Maya.
The holy name is stronger than Maya. Haribol!
From Delhi to the world, spreading wisdom wide, in temples and hearts where pure devotion resides. With kindness and care, he tended each soul, a master, a mentor, making lives whole. Oh, journey of grace through the sands of time, your light remains in this heart of mine, a beacon of love in Krishna's embrace. 𝗪𝗪 forever ablaze. Now as we gather memories in hand, we feel your blessings like Delhi to the world, spreading wisdom wide, in temples and hearts where pure devotion resides. With kindness and care, he tended each soul, a master, a mentor, making lives whole. Oh, journey of grace through the sands of time, your the river of play. Now as we gather memories in hand, we feel your blessing.